Dolphins aren't just smart, they're socially sophisticated. These marine mammals use unique whistles that function like names. Each dolphin develops its own signature whistle and responds when it hears it, much like we answer when someone calls our name. Researchers have tested this by playing recorded whistles, and dolphins only respond to their own. These names help maintain bonds in pods, coordinate hunting, and even reunite after separation. It's a striking level of communication for animals that live underwater. So when a dolphin chirps, it's not just noise, it might be saying, "Hey, that's me." Long before seismic sensors existed, some creatures may have felt the Earth's warning signs. Snakes are known to sense earthquakes days before they strike. Their bodies pick up on subtle shifts in temperature, pressure, and ground vibrations, changes too faint for human detection. In fact, snakes in China have been observed slithering out of their dens in midwinter before major quakes. Some experts believe they can sense disturbances from miles away. While science is still unlocking the mystery, it's clear snakes don't just slither, they listen. And sometimes nature's most silent creatures sense the loudest disasters first. Long before seismic sensors existed, some creatures may have felt the Earth's warning signs. Snakes are known to sense earthquakes days before they strike. Their bodies pick up on subtle shifts in temperature, pressure, and ground vibrations, changes too faint for human detection. In fact, snakes in China have been observed slithering out of their dens in midwinter before major quakes. Some experts believe they can sense disturbances from miles away. While science is still unlocking the mystery, it's clear snakes don't just slither, they listen. And sometimes nature's most silent creatures sense the loudest disasters first. It sounds like science fiction, but spiders can take to the skies using Earth's natural electric fields. The process is called ballooning, where spiders release silk threads that catch wind and an electric charge, lifting them into the air. They can travel miles, sometimes reaching heights of thousands of feet. This method helps spiders spread to new environments and colonize distant areas. Charles Darwin once found ballooning spiders landing on his ship miles out at sea. They're not flying in the traditional sense, but riding invisible currents that move through the sky. Your body is constantly renewing itself, even when you're just sitting still. Every single day, you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every minute. That adds up to millions per day and around 9 pounds per year. Most of the dust in your home, it's made of dead skin. The outermost layer of your skin is constantly being replaced, a process that helps protect you from germs, pollution, and damage. You're literally a work in progress, rebuilding your exterior from the inside, out without even realizing it. Whales don't just sing, they do it with regional flair. Different whale pods use distinct patterns of sounds that function like accents or dialects. These variations can indicate where a whale comes from, much like a southern drawl or a British lilt. Humpback whales, for example, sing complex songs that evolve over time and spread through the oceans. Orcas have even more distinct calls that differ by family group. These vocal fingerprints allow whales to recognize one another, navigate, and form bonds. It's a reminder that language exists beyond words and across species. The deep blue sea hides many secrets, but one of the most glittering is this. The ocean holds an estimated 20 million tons of gold. It's not in shiny bars or nuggets, though. This gold is dissolved in seawater, spread thin across billions of gallons. In theory, there's about 13 billionths of a gram in every liter. Extracting it would be wildly expensive and impractical. But the fact remains, there's a treasure chest beneath our waves, quietly glimmering through chemistry. The ocean is richer than we think. Beneath the forest floor lies a secret network, not of roots, but of fungi. Mushrooms are part of a vast system called the mycorrhizal network, which connects trees and plants underground. This wood-wide web allows fungi to send chemical messages, nutrients, and even warning signals about pests or drought. It's a silent, living internet where organisms help each other survive. Mushrooms don't just pop up after rain, they're nodes in an intelligent, ancient network whispering, beneath our feet in a language we're only beginning to decode. It sounds backward, but under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. This counterintuitive phenomenon is called the Mpemba effect, named after a Tanzanian student who observed it while making ice cream. While scientists still debate the exact cause, possibilities include faster evaporation, changes in convection, or the behavior of hydrogen bonds. It's a reminder that even basic science can surprise us, and that hot things can sometimes cool down quicker than we expect. Nature doesn't always follow the rules we write. You might not think of your tongue as a powerful muscle, but it's actually a complex group of 8 muscles working together in perfect coordination. Unlike most muscles that attach to bones, tongue muscles intertwine in different directions, allowing for incredible flexibility and strength. That's how you speak, swallow, taste, and even lick an ice cream cone. It's one of the few muscles in your body that never tires, constantly moving with precision and power. So the next time you say something clever, thank your tongue's silent teamwork. Migration is one of nature's most grueling tests, and some birds pass it with unbelievable endurance. The bar-tailed godwit, for example, flies over 7,000 miles non-stop from Alaska to New Zealand. That's over a week in the air without food, water, or rest. They shrink their digestive organs before takeoff to reduce weight and fuel up on fat reserves. Guided by magnetic fields, star patterns, and memory, these tiny creatures cross oceans and continents with stunning precision. It's the ultimate test of nature's willpower, winged and unwavering. You've probably heard that blood is blue in your veins, but that's only partly true. Blood is always red. It just appears blue under your skin due to how light scatters and is absorbed. Oxygen-rich blood is bright red, while oxygen-poor blood is a darker, deeper red. Veins look blue because of light filtering through your skin. It's an optical illusion, not a color change. So while your veins might look like little rivers of blue, your blood is always flowing red, no matter where it travels. Each year, the moon drifts about 1.5 inches away from Earth. That may not sound like much, but over millions of years it adds up. This slow separation is caused by gravitational interactions, mainly the tidal forces between Earth and the moon. As the Earth's rotation slows down, angular momentum pushes the moon farther out. In the distant future, this could affect tides and even eclipse visibility. Right now, it's just a slow farewell dance between 2 cosmic partners, the moons. Still here, but it's taking tiny steps away every day. Jellyfish are ancient and incredibly tough. These gelatinous drifters have been around for over 500 million years, surviving all 5 of Earth's major extinction events. From asteroid strikes to ice ages, they've floated through chaos and come out unchanged. Their secret? Simplicity. Jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or bones, and they rely on the ocean's currents to move. Their minimalist biology allows them to thrive in conditions that wipe out more complex species. They may seem delicate, but they're some of the most resilient life forms on Earth. You might think leap years occur like clockwork, every 4 years, but it's not quite that simple. While most years divisible by 4 are leap years, century years, like 1900 or 2100, are only leap years if divisible by 400. That means 2000 was a leap year, but 2100 won't be. Why the rule? Because Earth doesn't orbit the Sun in exactly 365.25 days. It's actually closer to 365.2242 days. These adjustments keep our calendar in sync with the seasons. Without leap years, we'd slowly drift out of alignment, celebrating summer in December,